Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to get your OpenAI API key. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. Now here, first of all, I need to search for OpenAI platform. It will be a very first website. As you can see, it is written here platform.openai.com. Simply click on it. Now here, first of all, you need to sign in. I'll skip this part. Now once you signed in, you will see this sort of a dashboard. On the left hand side, you can see it is written here API keys. Simply click on it. Now here on the top right, you need to click on create new secret key. Give it a name, test, and leave everything as it is. Then simply click on create secret key. Now here I got my secret key, and please do read this. It is clearly written here. Please save your secret key in a safe place since you won't be able to view it again. So simply just copy it and paste it in a notepad file like this. Now you can save this key somewhere safe on your PC and you can use it in your projects. Also, in case you want to revoke the access for this key, then first of all I need to click on done. Then I need to click on delete. Now to revoke this secret key, I simply need to click on this button, revoke key. After this key will be non-functional. Let's click on it. So I hope you understood how to get your OpenAI API key. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.